exploring the exciting UI/UX design trends of 2023. Introduction. In the ever-evolving world of technology, UI/UX design plays a crucial role in creating engaging and intuitive digital experiences. As we delve into 2023, it's essential to stay up to date with the latest design trends that are shaping the industry. We'll explore some of the most exciting UI/UX design trends that are making waves in 2023. Dark mode dominance. Dark mode has been gaining popularity over the past few years, and it continues to dominate the UI/UX design landscape in 2023. With its sleek and modern aesthetic, dark mode not only reduces eye strain but also enhances the visual appeal of applications and websites. Designers are leveraging dark mode to create immersive experiences that captivate users and provide a sense of sophistication. Neumorphism. Neumorphism, a design trend that combines skeuomorphism and flat design, is making waves in 2023. This approach creates a soft, three-dimensional appearance by using subtle shadows and highlights. Neumorphism adds depth and realism to user interfaces, making them visually appealing and tactile. By blending real-world elements with digital interfaces, designers can create intuitive and engaging experiences. Microinteractions. Microinteractions are small, subtle animations or visual cues that provide feedback to users and enhance their overall experience. In 2023, designers are focusing on incorporating meaningful microinteractions to create delightful moments throughout the user journey. From button hover effects to loading animations, these microinteractions add personality and make interactions more engaging and enjoyable. Voice user interface (VUI). With the rise of voice assistants and smart devices, voice user interfaces (VUI) are becoming increasingly prevalent in 2023. Designers are now integrating voice interactions seamlessly into their designs, allowing users to navigate and interact with interfaces using voice commands. VUI offers a hands-free and convenient experience, making it an essential consideration for designers looking to create inclusive and accessible designs. Augmented reality (AR) and virtual reality (VR). AR and VR technologies are revolutionizing the way users interact with digital content. In 2023, designers are leveraging AR and VR to create immersive and interactive experiences. From virtual showrooms to augmented product visualization, these technologies enable users to engage with products and services in a more realistic and engaging manner. Designers are pushing the boundaries of UI/UX design by incorporating AR and VR elements to enhance user experiences. Minimalism and simplified interfaces. Minimalism continues to be a popular design approach in 2023. Designers are embracing clean and simplified interfaces, focusing on essential elements and removing unnecessary clutter. By using ample white space, simple typography, and intuitive navigation, designers can create visually appealing and user-friendly interfaces that prioritize content and enhance usability. As we venture further into 2023, UI/UX design trends continue to evolve, shaping the digital experiences we encounter. From dark mode dominance to neumorphism, microinteractions, VUI, AR/VR, and minimalism, these trends are revolutionizing the way we interact with digital interfaces. By staying informed and incorporating these trends into their designs, UI/UX designers can create captivating and user-centric experiences that leave a lasting impression on users.